Alright, so let's talk about the root equals sum of the children. So you're given the root of a binary tree, and then in this question it only consists 3 nodes, and it's going to be root, left and right child. And then you have to return true if the value of the root is equal to the sum of the value of 2 children, and everything else is going to be returned false. So this question is pretty straightforward. So it's going to have you're going to have 3 nodes, right? Root, left and right. So the only thing you have to check is what if a current root is equal to the left child plus right child, right? So I'm going to say if root is not equal to null, I'm going to just return maybe this is more easier. So return root is not equal to null. So if this is true, then you can check. So if root.val minus root.left.val minus root.right.val is actually equal to 0, right? And then if root is already equal to null, then you can just say return true, right? And let me see if I have any error, and then submit. Alright, so you can optimize this solution just a little bit because you know that there are exactly 3 nodes, right? So I'm going to just make it like this. So root.val minus root.left.val minus root.right.val equal to 0. Alright, and this should be good. Alright, so what if the nodes are not 3 nodes, right? So you could be more than 3 nodes, right? So you can use a recursion, right? So I'm going to say the base case is going to be root is actually equal to null, right? The base case is going to be return true. And how do you traverse? Actually based on what? Your root.left and root.right, right? And how do you check the condition? It's going to be what? If the root.left is not null and root.right is not null, right? You do the checking, right? So it's going to be root.val minus root.left.val minus root.right.val is actually equal to 0, right? This is going to be returned true, right? But I need to find out the false condition, right? So you return false, and everything else after you traverse on the left and right, you return true. So again, this is pretty straightforward. Yeah, so in this question, the time complexity is going to be what? All of n, and the space is constant, right? And in this question, the n represents 3, right? And this is going to be all of 1, right? And yeah, this is also be all of 1, right? So the time and space are pretty straightforward, and I don't think you need a debug to actually go through the solution. So here's my solution, and everything will be pretty easy. So if you have any question, leave a comment below, subscribe if you want it. Alright, peace out, bye.